welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aaliyah here, aka Leahbriabeauty, and I am back with a new video. For today's video, I am back with my first fall makeup tutorial of 2021, and this is the look that I came up with. I'm obsessed with this look. This is definitely my go-to fall look. It can go with literally any outfit you can imagine. If you guys would like to see how I created this look right here, then please keep on watching. But before we get into this video, don't forget to leave a like and a comment, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. That way you can join my family over here at Leahbriabeauty. As always, thank you guys so much for your continuous support on my channel. It means the world to me. Let's get on into this video and I will see you guys at the end. Alrighty, so jumping straight into brows, I'm going to be using my Morphe brow cream in the shade Chocolate Mousse. I've honestly been using this stuff for the past year or so, and I definitely don't see myself switching up on it anytime soon.
When me run, me pass by, girl, they call me Choco Glam. They dance all me around. Me improve me style, it can go and go sit me down. From me was around before the new millennium. Me the sun boy, and me national respond fit the life you have.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my brows. I don't really ever stress myself out if they don't come out perfectly, just because I know that's what the concealer is for. For concealer today, I'm using my Juvias concealer in the shade number 15. I was going through my channel and realized that I have not filmed a makeup tutorial for you guys in over a year, which is honestly unacceptable because my channel started all because of my love for makeup. So I was like, that's absolutely unacceptable. Like, yeah, no, it's definitely time to hit them with the tutorial.
Me improve me style, it can go and go sit me down. From me was around before the new millennium. Me the
long time now, if you step up, you become boss up. It up, had the little molly hand, beat them a set up. Hey, make a belly big stem, always a neck up.
Now we're gonna just blend out the concealer. I went ahead and concealed the top of my brows as well. I just used a shade that was a little bit closer to my skin tone, just to avoid that halo eyebrow effect.
Each and every season, with that love for you bring like the angels I sing. Hey, with this musical medicine.
So to set my eyelids, I'm gonna just go in with my Wet&Wild loose setting powder. It's supposed to be a banana powder, but to me, it doesn't really have that true banana color, but it does the job either way. I'm gonna start out with the Warriors 3 palette from Juvias. I'm gonna go into the color Kahina using my Morphe M505 blending brush, and I'm going to just blend that all over my crease and smoke it out. Go in with my Morphe 350 palette, and I'm gonna go into the shade Extra and Choco just to kind of see what I get from that. I think I want to go a little bit darker, so I'm gonna dip into this very chocolatey brown shade from the James Charles palette. I'm gonna make sure to tap off all the excess, focusing it specifically on the outer corner. So now that I look like a little disco ball, this is still not enough. I want a little bit more glitter. I'm gonna jump into my ColourPop palette called You're Pretty, and I'm gonna take the shade right here. It's just very golden. I'm gonna just go ahead and pop a little bit of this on. Alrighty, so now that my eyeshadow is to my liking, I'm gonna go ahead and quickly pop on these EYELURE London lashes, and I will be get on into this base makeup. Starting out, I'm going in with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Again, same thing as my brows. I've been using this for the past year, but I definitely want to give new primers a chance. I feel like there's a lot of primers on the market. What are some of your favorite primers? I literally can't believe that it's already September, because if it's already September, it means that it's already Halloween. And if it's already Halloween, it means that it's already Thanksgiving, aka Christmas. Happy New Year, guys. That's literally how I'm feeling. Like, it's time even real. Alrighty, going in with foundation, I'm using my Maybelline Superstay, and this is in the shade 330 Toffee. Actually just picked this up yesterday. I'm gonna go ahead and put like 3 pumps. As you can see, she is not moving. She's not going anywhere. It is thick. I don't know what it is, but I have been feeling just so motivated, I would say, since the month of September began. I just feel like it's go time, it's buckle down time. I also picked up this e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer yesterday as well from Target. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that. I'm not gonna go too heavy because, like I said, this is my first time and I don't know exactly how it's gonna work, but we're gonna try it out. Oh my gosh. Okay. Don't get intimidated. Don't get intimidated. I'm gonna let the concealer dry down just a little bit. That way I can get some more coverage out of it. And then we're gonna go ahead and blend. Okay, so this had actually blended out really well. I think I am gonna go in with another layer just to get some more pigment out of it, but it blended out way easier than I thought it would. I love me a bright under eye. Okay, I am loving the way that my under eyes are looking. They're looking very seamless, no creasing, and I'm gonna quickly go ahead and set that with my Juvias Khalahari setting powder. This setting powder is a true yellowy banana powder. Honestly, I'm obsessed with this powder, and regardless of the pigment, like, it doesn't change the color of whatever concealer that I apply under my eyes, so that is a huge plus. I've had tons of powders that literally will change the color of my under eye concealer, and I'm just like, no, that's not what I wanted. Like, I don't allow my powder to sit for too long because I don't want my under eyes to get ridiculously dry. What I do is just go ahead and I pat it into the skin, and I really press that into the skin. That way it's filling my pores up rather than sitting on my skin. Alrighty, so now that my face is all set, I'm gonna go in with my Juvias Warrior 2 palette, and I'm gonna just use the chocolatey brown shade to give myself some warmth back into my skin. I'm gonna add a little bit of blush. This one is by Wet&Wild. It's called Pearlescent Pink. It does have a little bit of glitter to it, but it's nothing too obvious. For one of my favorite parts, I'm going in with my highlighter, and the one I'm using today is called Nefertiti, and this one is by Juvias as well. The camera is literally gonna do this no justice, but I would say it's just a super pretty champagne-y with a little hint of pink and roll. It's a beautiful highlight. It's giving me glazed donut, okay? From every single angle. Ooh, love it. Now I'm just going to line my lip with my LA Girl Pro Concealer lip liner, and this is just in the brown shade that they have. I can't believe that I ever did my lip gloss or lipstick without lining my lips. It just seems so barbaric of me. Like, how did I even manage? Okay, so to top this off, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Butter Gloss. This is in the shade Fortune Cookie. This is a very, very bright, light, pinky shade, but y'all gonna see, y'all gonna see. So we have reached the end of today's video. I am absolutely obsessed with the way this look came out. I love the way my base came out. Everything just looks super matte, super perfect. This is a definite go-to fall look for me because it can go with so many different looks, so many different outfits, and I'm totally here for it. Let me know what you guys thought about this look down below, and let me know what was your favorite part of the makeup process. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it a ton. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment. That way I know you enjoyed the content. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. That way you can join my family over here at Leahbriabeauty. As always, thank you guys so much for your continuous support on my channel. It means the world to me. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.